Hey y'all, it always catches me off guard whenever I run into this problem, but I wanted to just warn y'all, like this unit that I'm working on today has been sitting for 3 years. I go to pull the puller up to check compression and something popped out that I had to kill and is on the bottom of my shoe right now. And I'm gonna show you what she left behind. So it's really common here in the South for mud daubers, dirt daubers to live in these machines and, you know, compact the little holes and then break out when they're done cocooning. I think on the other side here, on the muffler side, yeah, it was definitely living all up in here. But from sitting for 3 years, we also have black widows like crazy here in Arkansas. When I went to do a compression check, it shot out and I had to kill the female. She is currently underneath my shoe. Let me show you what's going on underneath this flywheel. So I think you can sort of see it. That is a dead male black widow down under the flywheel. We're gonna take this rewind cover off and see how many men she left behind. We're scared. Oh Lord. Alright, so in the rewind here, I don't even think we need the light. There's one bad boy dead. I think there's another little baby right here. Might shine the light on that one. That's a stink bug. And up in here, got another little guy right there. They're all dead. I got the female, you know, out. She was alive and I killed her, but just be wary, guys. When you break into these things after they've been sitting for a long time, definitely check because black widow bites are no fun. So hopefully this will save you some pain and frustration in the future. Thanks again. Have a great day.